In a world rich with fiction, artificial intelligence is often ensnared in myths and misconceptions. It's easy to be swept up by the narrative of AI as either an omnipotent force or a harbinger of doom. Let's venture beyond these fables born from science fiction and speculative thought to demystify AI. Artificial intelligence, essentially, is a suite of technologies with the capability to perceive, reason, and act, honing its skills from interactions with the world. It's a myriad of advancements, from machine learning to natural language processing, each weaving into the next to forge systems as intricate as the human intellect they echo. Beyond buzzwords, machine learning, neural networks, and robotics are at the heart of a framework rapidly pervading industries and daily life. They empower machines to process vast data, understand and mirror human language, recognize patterns, and make informed decisions. On the brink of this technological revolution, we distinguish the AI of fantasy from the AI reshaping our reality. Join us on this enthralling route, lined with cognitive algorithms and intelligent machines, ready to unveil AI's true capacity. Embark with us as we explore its learning, thinking, communication, and interactions. The intelligent future commences here. Envision a future where technology not only follows commands but also learns, adapts, and resolves complex issues autonomously. This is the odyssey of machine learning, the intellect of artificial intelligence. By sifting through data, machine learning discerns patterns and decisions, often with minimal human guidance. At its heart, machine learning is an algorithmic conductor, transforming data into coherent insights, comparable to a child's progressive grasp of the world through trial and error. Machine learning drives the personalized recommendations that surprise us, the fraud detection systems that protect us, and the power to predict worldwide trends. It's a marvel that optimizes operations and creates predictions with remarkable precision. Unveiling machine learning reveals a cornerstone of the evolution of AI, more than just a subset of technology. With this understanding, we gear up for neural networks in our next segment. Another core principle of AI, stepping further into innovation's terrain as AI redefines our world. Picture the complexities of the human mind, with its labyrinth of neurons and synapses ceaselessly processing information. In AI, neural networks replicate these biological intricacies, serving as the core of modern AI applications. Neural networks mimic our brain's structure, with multitudes of interconnected nodes, each learning from data, just as a child learns from experience. These networks process raw input through numerous layers, culminating in outcomes that suggest an almost human-like intuition. Observing neural networks is like seeing an orchestra in perfect sync, each neuron contributing to decision-making. They're behind technology, from the simplest digit recognition to the most advanced chatbots. As this artificial replication of our neural pathways takes the stage, we consider how AI will further revolutionize communication. That brings us to our next focus, natural language processing, which empowers AI to converse and understand, dissolving the barriers between human and machine. Within our tech-infused world, artificial intelligence has emerged as the conduit for our thoughts. Natural language processing, or NLP, stands as AI's mediator, interpreting and articulating human language. NLP has woven into our daily devices, facilitating seamless interaction. It serves us through virtual assistants and customer support bots, simplifying tasks with a comprehension of our language and its subtleties. With the evolution of NLP, AI faces the challenge of decoding complex and idiomatic human expression. It's a dance of algorithms and data evolving together, striving to grasp the full spectrum of our communication. As NLP integrates further into our lives, prepare for an era where machines anticipate and respond to our needs. Next, we will look at how robotics encapsulates the intelligence formulated by machine learning, neural networks, and NLP into dynamic, tangible forms that act within our physical realm. Approaching the culmination of our AI odyssey, we step into the intersection of the virtual and physical, the domain of robotics. More than an application, robotics personifies AI, its most tangible expression through the synthesis of various AI disciplines. Envision a time when robots discern human needs with just a gesture, adept at navigating our complex environments. These moments aren't speculative sci-fi, but the tangible, emerging landscape of AI in robotics. Robotics promises a reshaping of industries, from healthcare's precision to personalizing education and revolutionizing home life. As we ponder AI's integration with robotics, a door opens to a future ripe with smart cities, efficient problem solving, and a new synergy between humanity and machines. The AI narrative shifts from the abstract to active, tangible interaction with the world, harmonizing data and physical presence. Our exploration underscores that AI with robotics isn't an end, but a gateway to unabated innovation and discovery.